So here is the background information about what is going on with all these zombies. Can you explain to us what happened? What happens to the brain when a zombie attacks a human?
Hi, as you can see, I've had a bit of a run with this as well. Right there, as you can see, I was bit. So I'm gonna give you a bit of a rundown on my own biology, or at least what happened to me. I've gotten better. So I got bitten, and that caused a rabies-like infection, which caused quite a bit of inflammation in my brain, which damaged parts of it. Thankfully, I'm all better. Magic of science. The main regions of damage that occurred were in my frontal lobe, particularly when it comes to executive control and
So
conscious
basically,
thought.
you're not as smart as a human now.
No, I've regressed about to the point of a third grader.
That explains a lot of third grade behavior.
I will say the one part that wasn't damaged much at all was my cerebellum. I was still able to run after all of my victims and bite them. It was delicious. Well, actually, it tasted kind of like pork. It was kind of weird. Well, I didn't get too many brains because their skull's like a big walnut. My physical abilities weren't really enhanced. I just couldn't feel pain. I could do things I didn't know was possible, and that, in big part, due to the inflammation in my parietal lobe here. This big boy up top. It affected my pain perception. I think I was still feeling it in my limbs, but it never really got to my brain. That could have also happened in the thalamus. I didn't write that down. I'm surprised I remembered that. I thought my memories were gone.
So you can run still, you can move, so your cerebellum was still reasonably intact. Spinal cord is obviously intact because your limbs are still, moving a little bit. Enough to grab and rip other people's throats.
Yeah.
The parietal lobe has been affected and affects the pain reception, so you don't really feel it when
I can't feel this at all. Like the pain, I know I'm touching. It's like if you got anesthetics. I can feel I'm grabbing it, but I don't know what's happening down there.
That would be great if somebody had to go in for a medical procedure. You could just bite him and he wouldn't feel any pain.
That's a good idea. I'm gonna tell that to my supervisors. Oh wait, I think I ate them.
Well, clearly now your temporal lobe has gotten better because that's supposed to affect your language and comprehension ability. You still seem very, aware of many things.
What?